This is Mr. Veszpeller. In this lesson, we will learn how to use a multiplication chart for both multiplication and for division. And today we're going to learn how to use a transparent target. Boy, we've got a glare there. All right, so how can we use this target to find the product for 8 times 10? So all the factors, you see that little multiplication sign, all the factors are in the green line, the green row, and this factor is on the green column. So one factor, the other factor, either way. And then all our products are in the field, the white field in the middle. So when we say 8 times 10, we find 8 down here. So we slide it until we have that 8 showing in the clear row, the clear field, 8, and then the other factor is 5, 8 times 5. So we slide it over to 5. So we have a clear column and a clear row, and the target is 40. So 8 times 5 is 40. All right, and you could do that with anything. Let's say 4 times 3. So we find the 4 on this column, we slide it up until we see it, and then we slide it over to 3, so 4 times 3, slide it over to 3, so 4 times 3 is 12. Now how can we use this for division? Let's go back to 8 times 5, or let's say 40 divided by 8. So let's find the 40, but there's also a 40 here. So which 40 do we use? If it's 40 divided by 8, okay, you find the 8 and you slide it over until you find the 40. So 40 divided by 8, and then you look over to the other column here, and our quotient, our answer is 5. 40 divided by 8 is 5. Again, same thing with 12. What about 12 divided by 3? You could even, so you go to the 3, and then you slide it till you get to 12. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. And then 12 divided by 4 is 3. All right, you try it.